Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. So children, in our today's class, we are going to learn about a topic called parts of the day. Okay? So in our previous class, we had started chapter number 6. That is about what? Time. Okay, children? So what we have learned there? We have learned about the terms called earlier and later. Okay, children? So earlier and later are the words used for events happening at different times. Yes or no? So children, we do different activities in a day. Right? We wake up in the morning, then we brush our teeth, then we get ready for school. Before that we take breakfast, then we get ready for school, then we move to school. After returning from school, we take lunch, then we take rest, evening time we play, then again we start studying. Got it, children? So these are the activities we do in a day. Okay? So when we wake up, first thing what we do? We brush our teeth. Yes? Then we take what? Breakfast. Clear, children? So these are the different activities we do. Yes, in a day. So, which activity we do earlier, which activity we do later. These things we have learned. Yes, children. Now, today's topic is the parts of the day. Okay. So, before move on to our today's topic, let's do a recap. Whatever we have learned in our previous class. So, children, I'll give you some activities. Alright, so here you see my question is just one, arrange the following. Arrange the following from what you do earlier to later in a day. So we will do this the recap part, as already we have learned about earlier and later. Okay, children? So my question is to you all. Just you see, shower. Okay, shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school, Now children, what you have to do, you have to arrange the following, whatever activity I have written here, from what you do earlier to later in a day. You arrange this activity. So how you are going to arrange? Already given in the question, what you do earlier to later in a day. Arrange the following. That means this activity from what you do earlier to later in a day. So first one is what? Shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school. Yes? Children, tell me. From earlier to later you arrange it. I have explained it to you. Okay, let me have. So here is a shower, sleeping, waking up, going to school. Now you have to arrange it to earlier to later. So which one activity will come first? Yes? It is waking up. Yes or no? Waking up. Then next is what? After waking up, shower. Okay, shower. Then going to school. Yes, going to school. Next, sleeping. So, the following activities are arranged from the earlier to later that we do in a day. Waking up, then taking a shower, going to school, then sleeping. Yes, So here arrange this. From what? What you do from earlier to later in a day. Starting is waking up, taking a shower, going to school, then sleeping. Got it, children? We have arranged. Yeah? Now, today's topic, what we are going to learn? These activities, no? These activities when we do. Waking up, shower, going to school, sleeping. So, when we do the parts of the day we are going to learn. Yeah, children? The parts of the day we are going to learn. So, one day is 24 hours. Okay? Now that 24 hours, how we divide? That things we are going to learn. Got it, children? So, children, we have learned about the terms earlier and later. Yes, as I have told you, we do different activities in a day. Yes, some activities we do earlier and some activities we do later, like series. Okay, series of activities in a day, the sequence of doing different activities. Now, the activities which you do in a day, the different activities in a day. Here you see a day, the parts of the day. So, parts of the day, days divided into how many parts? 3. Morning, noon, afternoon and evening. Yes? Got it, children? I have shown you here parts of the day, days divided into 3 parts. Morning, noon, afternoon and evening. Now, let us understand the parts of the day with the help of a timeline. This one is what? This one is a timeline. Okay, children? So, I will write here a timeline. A timeline is a what? Is a number line. A timeline is a number line on which time is shown. Time is shown. So this one is what, children? This one is a timeline. A timeline is what? A timeline is a number line on which time is shown. So now we will understand the parts of the day with the help of a timeline. Clear? So here I have drawn the timeline. See here. Now, children, do you know that one day equal to 24 hours? One day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Okay? When 24 hours complete, our one day also complete. So, one day equal to what? 24 hours. So, here I have shown you the 24 hours. How we divide a day? How we divide a day? Here you see. With the help of timeline, now I am going to explain. Right? Now see, this timeline showing what's a number line on which time is shown. So, for one day 24 hours. So, a day, here you see. 12 midnight to 12 midday or noon, that 12 hours. Yes, it's a morning time. Okay, 12 midnight to 12 midday or noon, that 12 hours. I told you one day equal to 24 hours, and that 24 hours into divided into what? 12 hours, 12 hours, 12 hours morning, then 12 hours afternoon, evening. Right? So, from 12 midnight to 12 midday, that is noon. It's 12 hours, that is a morning time. Yes? It's a morning time. Got it, children? Yeah? From 12 midday, noon to 12 midnight, that 12 hours. That is afternoon and evening. You call it afternoon or evening. So, 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 equal to 24 hours. So, it completes one day. It completes one day. Okay? So, 12 hours morning, 12 hours afternoon, evening. 12 plus 12, 24 hours. It completes one day. Okay, children? So, parts of the day, morning, noon, afternoon and evening. Yeah? So, 12 plus 12 equal to 24 hours. Alright, 12 hours morning, then afternoon, evening. Afternoon, evening. Got it, children? So, the help of a timeline. Timeline is a number line on which time is shown. Yeah? So, children, we use AM. In morning time, we use what? AM. I am writing here AM. That is anti-meridian. So, suppose your time morning, 7 o'clock. What do you write? 7 AM. 7 AM. It's a morning time. When we write AM, that means it's a morning time. If it's evening, what do you write? 7 PM. Prime meridian. Okay? So, AM shows what? It represents morning time. PM, it's afternoon or evening time. Okay? So, one day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Parts of the day. That one day is divided into 3 parts. Morning, noon, afternoon, evening. Right, children? So, morning, noon, afternoon, evening. Clear? Got it, children? Yes? So, we do different activities in a day. We wake up, then we brush our teeth, then we take bath, then we get ready for school. Yes? Then noon time we return from school. After returning from school, we take lunch. Yes or no? Then we take rest. Clear? Come to evening time. What are the activities we do in evening time? We play with our friends, then we start studying. Yes? Got it, children? Then night, we take our dinner, then we go to bed. So these are the activities we do in a day. Yes? So morning time we do different activities, noon time different, then afternoon, evening time. So in a day we do lots of activities. Yes? And the parts of the day they classify into how many parts? 3. Morning, noon, afternoon and evening. Okay? So with the help of timeline, we know that a day is what? One day equal to 24 hours and 24 hours is divided into 2. 12 hours, 12 hours. 12 hours morning, AM represent morning. Yes, morning time what we write? AM, anti-meridian. And 12 hours afternoon, evening, and we write PM. Evening time what we write? We write PM. Morning time what we write? We write AM. 7 o'clock in the evening, 7 PM. 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 PM. 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 AM. Okay, children? Yes? So, I hope it is clear. Timeline, parts of the day. Yes? From 12 midnight to 12 midday, 12 noon. It is a 12 hours. That 24 hours is divided into 2 parts. 12 hours, 12 hours. Yes? From 12 midnight to 12 midday noon, 12 hours. That is the morning time. 12 midday to 12 midnight, afternoon, evening time. So 12 plus 12 equal to 24 hours. So I have written one day equal to 24 hours. Clear, children? Yes? Okay. So next, now I will tell you. Here you see. Next thing. The time between 12 midnight, 12 midnight, 12 midnight and 12 noon. 12 noon is called what, children? Just now I told you. Look at this timeline. 12 midnight to 12 noon is called what? Morning. Is called what? Morning. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called what? Morning. Okay? So, got it, children? Next one. The time between noon and 12 midnight. 12 midnight is called what, children? Is called afternoon or evening. It's called afternoon or evening. Okay? Afternoon or evening. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon, 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning time. We write AM to represent morning. The time between noon and 12 midnight is called afternoon, evening. And 12 midday to 12 midnight, it's called what? Afternoon, evening. We write PM. Yes? Got it, children? Yeah? So in the next class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the list of activities we do or list of activities done in a day. Okay, children? That one we are going to continue. Yes? So today your task is that you go through the topic parts of the day. Okay? How a day? A day is divided morning parts and afternoon, evening parts. Just go through the timeline. Okay? Clear, children? Yes? So, whatever I have taught you, you just practice it. Clear? Thank you.